Fastball. Good glove, Chase. Just keep your head on the target, all right? Bend your back. Good. Let that glove pull it in, generate that torque, all right? Take your chest to the target. Oh boy. Nice and loose with it. Fastball arm speed. Fastball arm speed, nice and loose. Yeah, that's good.
Come on.